Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best grow tent is probably one of the most important investments for any indoor gardener. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, choosing the right grow tent can make or break your yields. In this video, we'll dive into the top grow tents on the market, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the competition, so you can cultivate your own indoor garden. Number 5. 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter. This handy tool measures soil moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight. It helps you understand your plant's needs, so you can take better care of them. The large LCD screen with a backlight makes it easy to read the data, even in the dark. It runs on AAA batteries and alerts you when the battery is low. The latest probe technology provides fast and accurate readings. It helps you determine when to water, control pH and temperature, and assess light levels for optimal plant growth. Simply insert the probe into the soil and wait 10 seconds for the data. Remember to water dry soil before testing. Take readings from multiple locations for accurate results. The screen displays data with easy-to-understand graphics. The 45 degrees rotating head allows for comfortable viewing. This makes it easy for anyone to understand their soil conditions. Use it indoors or outdoors, in your garden, farm, or with potted plants. We are committed to providing satisfactory service. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. This soil meter is a versatile tool, measuring moisture, pH, temperature, and light. It allows you to monitor all the essential factors for plant health. If you are a beginner, it provides a simple way to understand your soil conditions, ensuring your plants thrive. What people say. Accurate moisture readings help me dial in my irrigation perfectly, fixing over-underwatering issues. The insightful pH readings confirm soil imbalances, allowing me to choose the right amendments. It's so easy to use and gives me accurate readings for soil moisture, pH level, sunlight, and temperature, all in one device. Number 4. LetPot LPH-SE 12 Pods Smart Hydroponics Garden. Introducing the LetPot LPH-SE, a smart hydroponics system. This innovative system, controlled by the LetPot app, allows you to easily manage your indoor garden. With the app, you can adjust the LED lighting schedule and receive reminders. This makes it easier than ever to grow healthy plants, right from your phone. Experience rapid plant growth with the 24-watt full-spectrum LED lighting. The system mimics natural sunlight, promoting photosynthesis and helping your plants grow faster. The system offers 2 LED lighting modes for different plant needs. You can customize the growing experience to ensure your plants thrive, all managed through the LetPot app. This all-in-one kit includes 12 planting cups, adjustable LED lighting, and a 5.5-liter water tank. It provides everything you need for successful indoor gardening, allowing for weeks of growth without constant watering. The system is built with quality materials, including a stainless steel surface. It also comes with lifetime service and continuous upgrades via Wi-Fi, ensuring you always have the best experience. What we like. This hydroponic system uses a smart app for easy control. It offers 2 LED lighting modes to suit different plant needs. If you like to grow herbs indoors, it will provide a convenient and efficient way to cultivate your plants. What people say. The light height offers ample distance for my needs, and the cleanup process is incredibly easy. The setup was incredibly easy right out of box. The build quality is excellent, comparable to AeroGarden, and the LetPot offers some great features not available with AG systems, and at a lower price point. The LetPot Grow Deck is slightly larger than the one on AG Bounty models, with room for 3 additional pods, 12 pods in LetPot, 9 in AG Bounty. And the water bowl tank is also larger. LetPot's bowl can hold up to 5.5 liters versus the AG Bounty's 1 gallon or 3.79 liters capacity. The Grow Light support rod extends 30 inches high, which is 6 inches taller than AeroGarden Bounty. The app works surprisingly well, and it's a pleasure to use. The Grow Light can be tilted front to back, which is nice if you're growing plants of different heights, or if the light is just too bright for your eyes. The Grow Light can also be adjusted very low, to within a couple inches of the Grow Deck, which is another advantage versus the AG Bounty and Harvest models, which can't be adjusted nearly this low. The grow sponges, grow baskets and stickers are high quality and are also compatible with AeroGarden and ETA systems, which is convenient for me as I will continue to move plant pods to and from units from other brands, depending on what I'm growing. The stainless steel on the bowl's exterior is a premium touch and is also easy to clean. The interior of the bowl is black plastic, which is actually preferable to an all-metal bowl, since the hydroponic nutrients might interact with a stainless steel interior. The LetPot is super easy to disassemble and clean, too. The design is sleek and clean. It arrives with everything you need to get started except for seeds. The setup is simple and the app is easy to connect. It's light, strong and adjustable in many ways directions, allowing this system to also supply light to nearby plants as well. The LetPot app has been great as far as keeping track of the plant's time and progress. There's a place to add something if not already in the LetPot library, and if you move a basket, it's easy to swap and adjust on the app. You're able to control while away, but honestly, I haven't had to do anything since starting. Water levels hold and the circulation is almost inaudible. The pump is very quiet and can only hear if standing with ears right next to the unit. Lights are not any more intrusive than a lamp, in my opinion. The herbs are big enough to harvest small amounts in a month. The extendable height for the light as the produce grows and holds 5 L of water with a level indicator, which is useful for monitoring as the seedlings grow into plants. Was very easy to set up and start growing, plus the LetPot smartphone app is a nice addition for setting the lights and day-night schedule. The greater capacity for pods, which I may say are also compatible with my AeroGarden pods, I can grow more in one footprint. Number 3. Avergo DIY Bonsai Tree Starter Kit. This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start growing your own mini trees. It's a fun and rewarding experience. The kit contains all the essentials. You'll find tools, planters, and seeds for various bonsai trees. It makes the whole process easy. Included are seeds for crepe myrtle, flame tree, blue jacaranda, and more. This gives you a diverse collection to cultivate. You'll enjoy watching them grow. It's a great gift for plant lovers, ideal for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Christmas. This kit provides a unique and thoughtful present for anyone. The kit includes extra seeds to increase your chances of success. Even if you're a beginner, you can enjoy the process. It's designed to make bonsai growing accessible. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast, this kit is for you. It's a great way to enjoy the art of bonsai. It's a fun family activity. What we like. This bonsai kit includes everything needed to start growing. It's designed to be easy, even for beginners. If you are looking for a unique gift, it is a perfect choice for plant lovers. What people say. Really nice packaging with detailed explanation. Followed step-by-step process, planted on December 25th. 3 of the 5 varieties sprouted within days, pigeon pea, jacaranda, locust, dot. The kit includes everything you need to start: seeds for 5 bonsai varieties, biodegradable pots, soil pellets, tools, wooden box, and markers. Number 2. Seed Starter Tray with Plant Light. This seed starter tray has 8 LED plant lights. They provide a full spectrum of light, just like the sun. This helps your plants grow strong and healthy. You can set the lights to turn on for different amounts of time. There are options for 4, 8, 12, and 18 hours. Also, you can adjust how bright the lights are to help your plants grow. The tray has vents that you can adjust to control the humidity. It also has holes to drain extra water. This helps create the perfect environment for your plants. This grow light is made from high-quality PP material. It is strong and will last a long time. It will support your plants as they start to grow. With the special lights and features, your plants will grow faster. They will be healthier and stronger. This will give you the best start for your plants. What we like. This seed starter kit includes full-spectrum LED lights and adjustable settings. It allows you to customize the light and humidity for optimal growth. If you have a variety of plants, it provides the flexibility to meet their specific needs. What people say. I grew my first ever Thai pepper seedlings with this and it was so easy. Worked like a charm. I love how you can water from the root up, very sturdy, and I love how you can reuse it, and I love the lighting setup. Everything fits together and works without any difficulty. Well-packed sturdy plastic comes intact and allows you to effectively start your seedlings. Number 1. VIVOSUN 48x48x80 Complete Home Grow Kit. This complete kit provides everything you need for indoor growing. It's designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it perfect for beginners and experienced growers alike. This system simplifies the entire process. The kit includes a premium LED grow light with Samsung LM301 diodes. This provides a full spectrum of light, ideal for all growth stages. It is energy efficient and features an adjustable dimmer for optimal light intensity. The grow tent is constructed with heavy-duty 1680D Oxford cloth. This makes it extremely durable and light-proof, preventing light leaks and reducing odors. The sturdy steel frame can support a significant amount of weight. This all-in-one kit saves you both time and money compared to buying components separately. It's the result of years of research and development, designed to support growers throughout their journey. The system is also energy efficient. The kit features a superior carbon filtration system that eliminates unwanted odors. The powerful fan moves air efficiently, and the Australian virgin charcoal ensures a clean and odorless environment. It keeps your home smelling fresh. The system utilizes living soil technology with fermented concentrates. This allows microbes to break down nutrients for easy plant absorption. This helps prevent nutrient burn and improve soil quality. What we like. This all-in-one grow kit includes a powerful LED light and a durable tent. It is designed to be energy efficient and easy to set up. If you are looking for a complete solution for indoor growing, it offers everything you need in one package. What people say. It wasn't hard to assemble, but I had to do it upright because of my 8 ceiling, and it is a 2-man job. It includes enough soil and newts for 2 5-gallon canvas pots. I read reviews of other tents where the main complaint was light coming through the zippers. I am not so picky, but no light escaped through the zippers, and man, it has a lot of them. Easy setup in just a couple of hours, and we already have orange sweet potato starting slips, Greek tomato seedlings, and many more already started. This will help us offset the Ohio weather and extend our growing season to provide fresh veggies all year long. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.